Did you know a famous director literally cooked and ate his leather boot on camera after losing a bet? In 1980, Werner Herzog found himself in quite the predicament. He had promised fellow filmmaker Errol Morris that he would eat his shoe if Morris ever completed his documentary, Gates of Heaven. Herzog never expected Morris to actually finish it, but when Morris proved him wrong, Herzog kept his word in the most bizarre way possible. He headed to Berkeley's prestigious Chez Panisse restaurant with his leather boot in hand. There, he boiled it with garlic and herbs like it was a fine cut of meat. While cameras rolled, Herzog calmly consumed the leather, discussing filmmaking philosophy between bites. He treated the entire spectacle as a serious artistic statement about commitment and integrity. The whole surreal event was so captivating that it became its own documentary. Werner Herzog Eats His Shoe stands as proof that some filmmakers will go to incredible lengths for their art, even if it means dining on footwear